Welcome guys, this is Global Design. I'm going to be teaching you on how I made this beautiful flyer design on Corel. So please do well to like and subscribe to my channel, my YouTube channel, for more support. So for those of us that are not used to Corel and some other software for designing, I'm going to be dropping some videos on how to access, how to use Corel and Photoshop for your designs. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's go to what we have here. So coming straight to my Corel, these are the tools I'll be using. These are the source codes I'll be using. Some of the source codes here. So I will pick this background. Okay, I'll copy this background and paste it over here. So what I'm going to do is to power click this background inside my worksheet. Then I'm going to give it an effect, a blur effect. So I'm going to make use of this particular face of this background. So for those of us who doesn't know how to power click, I'm going to drop a video on how to make use of our tools on Corel. Okay, so I'm going to right click and edit our power click. Okay, then when I come over to this place, I will come over to bitmark. Then I'll come over to blur and Gaussian blur. Okay, then I'll leave it at 8.0 pixels. Then I'll click OK. Then when I'm done, I'll come over to, I'll right click and I'll say finish editing. Okay, so I'll take out the outline of this. I don't need the outline. Then next thing I'm going to bring in is this this background. Also I'll bring in this background, this particular one. Then I'll paste. I'll try my best to reduce it. Whenever you're reducing, you reduce from the edge of this background. Okay, you reduce from the edge, the knots from the edge, so you do not mess up the picture of what we're doing. Okay, then I'll power clip it inside the container. Then I'll right click and edit. Then I'm going to give this an effect called overlay. It's under the transparency tool. So for those who doesn't understand what we're doing, I'll make you understand in the next video with how to use your toolbar in Corel when designing and the effects of these designs. So of these tools, sorry. So I'll come over to this transparency. This is our transparency tool. Then I'll come over to the merge mode. Then I'll come over to overlay. You can see. Then I'll finish my power clipping. You can see how beautiful our background is looking. So the next thing I'm going to do is to get I'll get this background. Okay, now copy, and I'm also going to paste it over here. So I'll just scale it up like this, scale them up, then I'll clip it inside, then right click and edit power clip. Then I'm going to scale it up. The effect I'm going to give this is the transparency tool. I'm going to give it a transparency effect in this down part. So what I'm just going to do is to click, now come over to this place and draw a very sharp line down. So what I'm going to do is just to reduce it a little bit, to reduce it from this place. You can see. So when I'm done, I'm going to power clip it in. Then when I'm done, I'm just going to finish. Then select it and control page down, take it down. Okay, I'm going to take it down. So I still want it to be on top of this circle I have here. So I'm going to take it up. Okay, I think I'm okay with this. So once I'm done with this, you can see that there is a cycle inside this background that I just made over here. So what I'm going to do is I already created the image inside the cycle. I'm going to just drop it over to this place. This is a combination of piano and the trumpet. I just drew a cycle and I placed them inside. So what I'm going to do is to power clip it inside, and I'm going to take it back, control page down. Okay, so when I'm done, the next thing I'm going to do is to get these images inside the container also. I'm going to get these images inside the container. So I will just power click this and also this one, get into the container. Okay, and just drag it down a little bit. Then I'm going to take this one backward. Okay, yeah, so I think we're done here. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to bring in this, or bring in this this background. I'll just paste it over here, reduce it. I'm going to reduce it. Then after I've reduced it, I'll give it this effect. I'm going to give it a screen effect. Okay, and I'm also going to reduce it, the opacity. I'm going to reduce the opacity. I'm going to reduce the opacity. I'm going to reduce the opacity. Okay, so after reducing this opacity, I'm going to take it inside my container. I'm going to take it inside, then take it back. I'm going to take it back. Okay, after taking it back, sizing it this way, sizing it this way. Okay, I'm going to take it back. So I think this is okay. Or I don't think there's a need to put that image in. I don't think there is a need for it to be inside. So let me take it off and get my text. Okay, what I'm going to do is to get my write up, and I'll see season. Then I'll duplicate this one and I'll write under it Thanksgiving. Okay, Thanksgiving. And when I'm done with this, then I will give this agency FP bold. That's the front end I'm going to give it. I also give this one agency FB bold. Okay, then and increase it, bring them over here and give it a white color. I I'll bring this place. I'll bring this one over to this place, and this Thanksgiving I'm just going to reduce it, take it like this. The season itself will be like this. Okay, I think I'll get this little smaller. Okay, then the next thing I'm going to put is just the finishing part. I'm going to finish my design with this. I'm also going to give this a white color and reduce it. So when I'm done with this, I'm going to get this image. So I'm going to fix it inside my Thanksgiving, okay, just to make it pop up. So when I'm done with that, I'll hold my Alt and select the image inside and just give it this shiny part. Okay, so after that, I'll bring in this flare light effects and I'll paste it. Then what I'm going to just do is to play around the edges with my transparency. Just take this off, bitmark, convert to bitmark, and okay. So get this one like this. I'm gonna bitmark it, convert to bitmark, and okay, and get this one like this. Bitmark, convert to bitmark, okay, get this one like this. Bitmark, convert to bitmark, okay. Then I'm going to give it a screen effect. Once I'm done with that, I'll place this over to this place. Okay, I'll duplicate, place this over to this place. So I'm going to take this one, power clip it inside, and power clip this also inside. Okay, so I'll copy this and paste, place this over to this place, power clip it inside also. So the next thing I'm going to do is to draw a box like this. I'm going to give it an outline of 3 points. Giving it an outline of 3 points, bring it over here, give it a white outline, then I'll say November, December. Okay, then my agency foot FB text, I'll give it a white color. So what I'm going to do is to draw a cycle here. So in that cycle, I'm going to have 23rd, 20, 23. So what I'm going to do is to write 23rd, okay, 2023. Okay, so I'm going to break it, Control K, and place this one over to this place. Okay, and reduce it like this. Then I'm going to reduce this one, and group it After grouping it, I'll bring it over to this place. I'll bring it over to this, and I'm going to place it here. So I'll bring this one over to this place. Then bring it down here, okay? And I'll leave this in red color. Okay, I'll leave that in red color and reduce it a little bit. So I'm going to bring in this text font over. I'm going to bring in this text font, okay? So this is what we have here. This is what we have here, okay? So thanks for watching. I'm going to make more of these beautiful designs for you guys, for those who are not used to Corel Draw designs and so on. Don't worry, sit back and enjoy my videos, okay? Just do well to subscribe, like and share. You can make a lot of money with this. You can make a lot of fortune with this by selling it on platforms, okay? On quality platforms. I'm going to drop the link in the description. And for those who need mentorship on designs, okay, don't worry, you can just place your comments on my YouTube channel and drop your opinions on these designs so we could walk through it and build a fortune. Okay, thanks for watching. Love you all.